Good morning, all of you. Matter is made up of smallest tiny particles. So the smallest and complete unit of matter is an atom. So when we discuss about counting the matter, so different scientists proved experimentally that matter exists in the atomic state and the molecular state. So different laws are discussed for the composition of matter. These are law of chemical combinations. First law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass is discovered in 18th century. So it was proposed by Anthony Lavoisier. According to this law statement, matter is neither gained nor lost during the chemical reaction. Second, law of constant proportions. It was proposed by Joseph Louis Proust. According to this law statement, in a chemical compound, the constituent elements are always present in different proportions by weight. For example, carbon dioxide. Molecular formula of carbon dioxide is CO2. Carbon dioxide consists of carbon and oxygen. It has one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms. So atomic weight of carbon is 12. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16 into 2, 32. So simplest ratio is 3:8. So the simplest ratio of carbon and oxygen in carbon dioxide is 3:8. Similarly, water molecular formula H2O. H2O consists of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom. So the atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 into 2 is 2. Atomic weight of oxygen is 16. So the simplest ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water molecule is 1:8. So chemical symbols. Chemical symbols are proposed by John Dalton. For example, hydrogen symbol H, carbon symbol C. So any element first letter is explained with the atomic symbol. For example, some elements are symbol of atomic weight is two letters, like helium, atomic symbol He, calcium, atomic symbol C. Chemical notation was invented by Berzelius. So molecular formula of elements. So molecules of elements, two or more elements combine to form a molecule. Next, atomicity. So the atomicities depend on the number of atoms. So the number of atoms present in the molecule is called atomicity. So monoatomic molecules, single atom is present in the compound is called monoatomic, like noble gases, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. These are all belongs to monoatomic gases. Next, diatomic. The total number of atoms in a molecule is 2 is called diatomic molecules. Examples for diatomic molecules: hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, chlorine and so on. Triatomic. The total number of atoms in a molecule is 3 are called triatomic molecules. For example, ozone O3, H2O and N2O and CO2. They are belongs to triatomic molecules. Next, tetraatomic molecules. So the total number of atoms present in a molecule is 4 or belongs to tetraatomic molecules. Example, NH3 and SO3, sulfur trioxide. So the atomicity of phosphorus. Phosphorus is 4. So phosphorus existed in P4. Similarly, the atomicity of sulfur is equal to 8. So the molecular formula of sulfur is S8. Okay. Molecule is formed by combination of number of atoms. So discuss molecular weight. Molecular weight. Molecule is formed by combination of number of atoms. So atomic mass or mass number. Mass number is denoted by A. So the sum of protons and neutrons present in the nucleus of the atom is called mass number. So it is denoted by A. So any atom consists of specific mass number. Mass number is expressed with respect to AMU, atomic mass units, or is expressed in grams. So the sum of atomic weights of all elements present in a molecule is called molecular weight. So molecular weight is depend on atomic weights. So now we discuss the atomic weights of some elements. Element atomic weight. First one, hydrogen. Hydrogen atomic weight 1. Second one, helium. Helium atomic weight 2. Lithium atomic weight 7. Beryllium atomic weight 9. Boron atomic weight 10. Next, carbon atomic weight 12. Nitrogen atomic weight 14. Oxygen atomic weight 16. Fluorine atomic weight 19. Neon atomic weight 20. And next, sodium atomic weight 23. Magnesium atomic weight 24. Aluminum atomic weight 27. Silicon atomic weight 28. Phosphorus atomic weight 31. Sulfur atomic weight 32. Chlorine atomic weight 35.5. argon atomic weight 38, potassium atomic weight 39, and calcium atomic weight 40. Cadmium atomic weight 43, titanium atomic weight 45, vanadium atomic weight 48, chromium atomic weight 52, manganese atomic weight 55, iron atomic weight 56, cobalt atomic weight 58.9, nickel atomic weight 59, copper atomic weight 63.5, and zinc atomic weight 65. So these are all atomic weights from hydrogen to zinc. So atomic weights can be calculated with respect to the sum of number of protons and the number of neutrons present in the nucleus. So now we discuss calculation of molecular weight. Calculation of molecular weight. Molecular weights depend on atomic weight. So the sum of atomic weights of all elements present in a molecule is called molecular weight. So we discuss calculation of molecular weights for different compounds. For example, ammonia molecular weight. Molecular weight of ammonia. Ammonia formula NH3. Ammonia molecule consists of one nitrogen and three hydrogen. So one nitrogen, 1 into nitrogen atomic weight 14 plus number of hydrogens 3, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. So 14 plus 3 is equal to 17. So the molecular weight of ammonia is 17. The molecular weight of water. Water formula H2O. H2O consists of 2 hydrogen atoms. So 2 into hydrogen atomic weight 1 plus oxygen atomic weight 16 into 1. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18. So the molecular weight of water molecule is 18. Next, the molecular weight of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid formula H2SO4. Sulfuric acid consists of hydrogen, sulfur and oxygen. It has 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom and 4 oxygen atoms. So number of hydrogen atoms 2 into atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 plus number of sulfur atom is 1, atomic weight of sulfur is 32 plus number of oxygen atoms are 4, oxygen atomic weight is 16. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 32 plus 64 is equal to 98. So the molecular weight of sulfuric acid is 98. The molecular weight of nitric acid. Nitric acid formula HNO3. So HNO3 consists of 1 hydrogen, 1 nitrogen and 3 oxygen atoms. So number of hydrogen atoms 1, hydrogen atomic number, atomic weight 1 plus number of nitrogens 1 into nitrogen atomic weight 14 equal to 63. So the atomic weight of nitric acid is 63. And the molecular weight of glucose. Glucose molecular formula C6H12O6. Glucose consists of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It has 6 carbon atoms, 12 hydrogen atoms and 6 oxygen atoms. So number of carbon atoms 6 into carbon atomic weight 12 plus number of hydrogen atoms 12 into hydrogen atomic weight 1 plus number of oxygen atoms 6 into oxygen atomic weight 16. So 72 plus 12 plus 96 is equal to 180. So the molecular weight of glucose is 180. The molecular weight of aluminum sulfate. Aluminum sulfate molecular formula Al2SO4 taken twice. Aluminum sulfate consists of aluminum, sulfur and oxygen. It has 2 aluminum atoms, 3 sulfur atoms and 12 oxygen atoms. So atomic weight of aluminum is 27 into 2 plus atomic weight of sulfur is 32 into 3 plus atomic weight of oxygen is 16 into 12. So 54 plus 96 plus 16 into 12, 192. So the molecular weight of aluminum sulfate is 342. 342. Molecular weight of acetic acid. Acetic acid molecular formula CH3COOH. It consists of 2 carbon atoms, 4 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Atomic weight of carbon is 12 into number of carbon atoms 2 plus atomic weight of hydrogen 4 hydrogen atoms into atomic weight of hydrogen is 1 plus oxygen atomic weight 16, number of oxygens 2. So 24 plus 4 plus 32 equal to 60. So the molecular weight of acetic acid is 60. And the molecular weight of calcium chloride. Mole concept. Mole depend on Avogadro number. So Avogadro number is denoted by N0. So the quantity of substance contains Avogadro number of molecules is called mole. Avogadro number is denoted by N0. It has constant value, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. Next, number of moles. Number of moles are denoted by small m. Formula weight by molecular weight. So number of moles depend on molecular weight. So to calculate the number of moles present in a compound, formula weight by molecular weight. For example, the number of moles of 10 grams of calcium carbonate is. So number of moles denoted by small m, formula weight by molecular weight. Weight is given, that is 10 grams. So molecular weight of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate formula CaCO3. Calcium carbonate consists of 1 calcium atom, 1 carbon atom and 3 oxygen atoms. So number of calcium atoms 1 into calcium atomic weight 40 plus number of carbon atoms 1 into atomic weight of carbon is 12 plus number of oxygen atoms 3 into oxygen atomic weight 16. So 40 plus 12 plus 48 is equal to 100. So the molecular weight of calcium carbonate is 100. So number of moles equal to 1 by 10 equal to 0.1. And the number of moles of (20 grams of sodium hydroxide is number of moles denoted by small m, formula weight by molecular weight. So weight is given, that is 20 grams. Given compound sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide formula NaOH. Sodium hydroxide consists of sodium, oxygen and hydrogen. So number of sodium atoms 1. Atomic weight of sodium 23 plus number of oxygen atoms 1 into oxygen atomic weight 16 plus number of hydrogen atoms 1, hydrogen atomic weight 1. So 23 plus 16 plus 1 is equal to 40. So the molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40. So 20 by 40 equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So the number of moles present in 20 grams of sodium hydroxide is 0.5. STP or NTP conditions. STP means standard temperature and pressure. NTP means normal temperature and pressure. So here STP or NTP conditions depend on temperature and pressure. So the temperature is 0 degree centigrade or 273 Kelvin temperature, and pressure is 76 centimeter or 1 atmosphere. These conditions are called STP or NTP conditions. Gram molar volume. Gram molar volume denoted by GMV. So 1 mole of any gas at STP can occupy 22.4 liters volume. Is called gram molar volume. So STP temperature is equal to 273 Kelvin. STP pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere, and STP volume is equal to 22.4 liters. So STP temperature, STP pressure, STP volumes are depend on temperature and pressure. Similarly, number of moles. Number of moles denoted by small m. Already discussed to calculate the number of moles with respect to molecular weight. But here, number of moles also discussed with respect to volume. So number of moles small m equal to formula volume by STP volume. So calculate the number of moles of 11.2 liters of oxygen at STPs. So number of moles denoted by small m, formula volume by STP volume. Volume is given, that is 11.2. STP volume is obtained from STP conditions, but STP volume is 22.4. So 11.2 by 22.4 is equal to 1 by 2, that is equal to 0.5. Similarly, the number of moles of (5.6) liters of nitrogen at the STP. Number of moles denoted by small m. Formula: volume by STP volume. Volume is given, that is 5.6. STP volume is obtained from STP conditions, that is 22.4. So 5.6 by 22.4, 1 time, 4 times, that is 1 by 4, that is equal to 0.25. So number of atoms. Number of atoms formula: weight by atomic weight into Avogadro number. Avogadro number is denoted by N0. Avogadro number is constant, that is 6.023 into 10 power 20. So the number of atoms present in 10 grams of calcium carbonate is. Number of atoms formula: weight by atomic weight into Avogadro number. Avogadro number is denoted by N0. Weight is given, that is 10 grams. Atomic weight of the number of atoms present in a 10 grams of carbon. Okay. Atomic weight of carbon is 12 into Avogadro number 6.023 into 10 power 23. So simplify this. 5.05 into 1.08 into 10 power 23. That is number of atoms 5.4 into 10 power 23. Similarly, number of molecules. Number of molecules formula: weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Avogadro number is denoted by N0. That is constant. That value is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So the number of molecules are present in 20 grams of sodium hydroxide. So number of molecules formula: weight by molecular weight into Avogadro number. Weight is given, that is 20 by molecular weight of sodium hydroxide is 40 into N0 means Avogadro number, that value is constant, that is 6.023 into 10 power 23. So that is 3.011 into 10 power 23. So mole is related with others. For example, 1 mole of carbon dioxide consists of 44 grams. 1 mole of carbon dioxide occupies 22.4 liters volume at STP. 1 mole of carbon dioxide contains 44 grams. 1 mole of carbon dioxide can occupies 22.4 liters volume at STP. 1 mole of CO2 contains Avogadro number of molecules. Next one, vapor density. So relation between molecular weight and vapor density. So molecular weight equal to 2 into vapor density. Therefore, vapor density is equal to molecular weight by 2. So example, the vapor density of 23 grams of ethyl alcohol is ethyl alcohol molecular formula CH5OH. Vapor density formula molecular weight by 2. Molecular weight of ethyl alcohol is 46 by 2 is equal to 23. And the vapor density of glucose molecular formula C6H12O6. So vapor density Vd equal to molecular weight of glucose is 180 by 2 is equal to 9.